Hi everyone! You may or may not be aware of the many videos on social media claiming that Easy Off is a miracle cleaner when it comes to seemingly hopelessly burnt or greasy or crusted up baking sheets. Since I am the owner of one such baking sheet, as you can see here, I decided to give Easy Off a go. If only the cap too had been Easy Off. Anyway, here we go. I sprayed a nice thick, even layer over the entire pan. The can, by the way, claims that Easy Off has no fumes. That is certainly not the case. Anywho, I left the pan to sit for about 35 minutes, after which I tried to wipe up everything with a cloth, hoping for that miracle, but alas, it did not come. Honestly, not a lot was coming off here. I grabbed a scrubby from the sink to see if I could have more luck with that, but it too wasn't really getting the job done. So I decided to spray another round of Easy Off. I sprayed it a little thicker this time, and after I was done spraying, I waited an hour and 15 minutes before I tried to wipe off all that burnt on grease. As you can see, the greasy stuff was coming up a bit easier than before. So gross. But then I grabbed my trusty scrubby again, and that, with a heavy dose of elbow grease, finally started the process of getting this pan clean again. I had to scrub pretty intensely for quite a bit of time. So, does Easy Off work to clean off these really gross and burnt and greasy pans? Yes, it definitely helped to loosen up all the burnt on bits, but it isn't the fast miracle fix some of these videos would have you believe. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button if you found this video useful at all. Also subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from our channel. Thanks for watching.